Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today we're going to look at some things about AI that has been actually in my mind for the last time that I've been checking AI, and I can tell you very clearly that what we are calling AI is not actually AI. So let me just break down everything as we continue. So before even ChatGPT was a thing, or Gemini, or even the new Bard thing on Google, and we used to have so many websites. So one of such websites that we used to use was called maybe emoji.com or .io and net. And let's just take a look at it here, and we write the name emoji, and let's see which websites are ranking here. So we have emojipedia.org or maybe getemoji.com. These are websites where you will come and just look for the emoji you just want to use, and you'll find them here, copy them, use it on your desktop, because most of the desktop applications don't have the emoji in their keyboard. And so this was a nice way of coming and getting your emojis from these websites. And I'm sure websites such as these used to make good money out of this. When you come and take a look at here, you can just copy the emoji and use it anywhere, maybe even in the URL or any other place you want to use the emoji. And now, looking forward to 2026, a lot has changed. And now, if you can see here, when I type the word emoji, the only thing I find here are these websites, and this AI. Here you can just copy these because these are images and not the emoji, the exact emoji I want. And so you will ask yourself, how about if I search the name maybe home emoji? What happens? And I want you to look closely so as we commence, and I will tell you why I consider the thing that you're calling AI not actually being AI. When I search the name home emoji, now we are getting the actual emoji where I can be able to copy any of these emoji, and you can see it very clearly. When I paste it, is the actual emoji. These are not emojis coming out of the websites that I was showing you before. This is a way of Google just giving you the direct intent of what you're searching for. And we are going to look into another scenario, maybe a conversional thing, such as let's try something like money converting, maybe changing. I'm a Kenyan, so let's convert maybe Kenyan shillings to Kenyan shillings, maybe to USD. And we see directly here that there is a tool directly as an intent where you can just do your money converting things. And you ask yourself, why am I talking about this thing? Is because such a tool was not there before, maybe the year maybe 2020 or 2022 going backwards. These were tools actually provided to you by actual websites which people create. They used to create those algorithms for doing such things. We also had something called APIs, and APIs are where you just when you use a certain API for a company, you can be able to actually convert maybe this money in this website. And you can see there are actual websites that actually do the same thing. We have here maybe wise.com or those local websites in your country that used to help you convert things like the Kenyan shillings to USD, and they monetize those websites and get something from it. Now ask yourself, what happens when the tool is just given to you directly in the search engines? That means that so many people are not going to navigate these websites down here, or even promote them in whatever the tools they have created or algorithms. Now you think that that's a good thing, but ask yourself, what happens when All those tools are made available just when you search for it. And that's why I'm saying that AI is not actually what it is. And that's why you're going to look maybe at another thing, maybe converting meters maybe to centimeters. Meters to centimeters. Let's see. I told you. Now we have a meters to centimeters converter, and it's going to be do the exact thing as when you are using the websites down here. So is it an advantage to the people that make these websites or a disadvantage? Because when you look into more of the details, you can see the calculator comes directly from Google. They also have so many other tools, bro. They also have maybe the color picker. You can see it, the calculator. They just have every other application in here. You know, it's not a long time ago, but many of the applications we used to use, they were not in the internet. And so many people and companies started their companies on the basis of these tools that will be used online, and where they are going to be used as software application services. And now, looking forward, 2026, a lot is going to change. So, ladies and gentlemen, what you're calling AI, maybe something like ChatGPT, is not just informational website where they get information from all these other websites on the net. They just scroll them and have the information, and also keep all the information that you search for. That's not only the only thing they do, but AI is going forward to giving you intent directly when you search something, not just only on topics and emojis and all these I'm trying to show you. But actually, what's happening here, you can see that the actual thing is they are taking the tools that are already made by humans and actually making them themselves under their own company with the name of AI. And what that does that do to the creators, maybe the developers of these websites? It crumbles the whole system that is based on that website. And that is what people are calling AI. As you can see here, it's AI overview. I was just looking for an emoji, but the first thing they had to give me was the intent of the emoji, where I can just copy it from their own sentence without even going deep into a website such as this. You can see the creator of these websites put a lot of effort and work just to create a full website where you can just come and pick the particular emoji that you want for yourself. Okay, people argue that you can use that on the other side to help yourself, such as helping your website rank in the AI. But you have to know first that the AI is meant actually to solve everything, to just give everything to the person that comes first hand. So somebody comes, asks for an emoji, they are given the emoji. Someone comes to maybe get measurements, as you can see here, they will get the actual measurement very faster than actually using the websites. And that's where you'll come here, maybe in the website, maybe let me say in ChatGPT, I want to prompt that I want something like I want to convert the meters to centimeters. Yes, let's see what you're going to get here. If that's not the case, we will know. And here you have the mathematical everything. You'll tell me that okay, this is the AI because the AI is like a person and thinking logically. I'll tell you, brother, this is an algorithm already made before and used here just to give you the direct intent that you need. You want meters to centimeters? Here you go. There's a tool for it, and it will explain for you like a person. But literally, there are so many websites that are doing the same thing, and they were developed very many years ago before even AI was made. one out. That does that make that application intelligent? Maybe something like ChatGPT? I don't know. So let's see in the next video if there is change in how AI is something the people with information. Thanks for watching. Have a great one. Peace.